Alright guys, I'm going to teach you how to do number 15 for the homework. So this is the updated version, so since the professor said that the exponential should be 137, I'm just going to use that. And we're assuming that this is unsigned, and then we're going to be using this formula 2e to the negative 27, or if you prefer using the other way that the professor showed, you could just do 10e to the negative 127, whichever one you it's easier to understand. So since this is 137, we just chuck this into the formula right here. So it's, I guess I'll just use the 10 one. 10 and that's 137 minus 127. And this comes out to be 10 to the 10th power. Really, the only thing that we're looking for is this number right here, so the exponential. It would have been the same thing if you used 2, since it would still come out to be 10. Doesn't matter which one you use. And after that, since it's 10, we're going to be bit shifting or moving the bits over to the left. A way how I kind of do this is I place the decimal right here, so all the way to the left of the first digit in the mantissa. And since this is 10, we're going to be moving this to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we'll place the decimal point right here. And then let's just put this into a nicer form. So this is going to be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Need more lead. Oops. And then decimal point, then 0, 1, 0, 1. And then since all the others are zeros, we can just forget about them. They're not important. And this is basically how I do the conversion from binary to decimal. Let's just start with the decimal portion right here. So how I like to do the math is, so it's 2 and then to the negative nth power. So this will be our first one right here. So this is going to be, since this is 0, we can just forget about this one. This is going to be 2 to the negative 2 for this one, and plus 2 to the negative 4. I like to chug this way into my calculator so I can get a nice fraction. So it's, you could also do it as this way, 1 over 2 to the 2 power plus 1 over 2 to the 4th power. And then if I chuck this into my formula, actually this looks like a 4. This should be, it should look like this. And my calculator. And then what I do is 1 over 2 to the 2nd power plus 1 over 2 to the 4th power. So we get a fraction of 5/16 for the decimal portion. And then for the left portion, I like to use this formula. So it's 2n to the minus 1. And then I'll calculate it right here. Let me just move my notebook so you can see it. So let's start from we'll move from the right all the way to the left. So it's 2 to the 0, because this one's the first one, so it's 1 minus 1 is 0, plus 2 to the, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, plus 2 to the 5. Let's see, where am I at? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we add these up. I'll put this right here. Hopefully you can see it. So it's 2 to the 0 plus 2 to the 3 plus 2 to the 5 plus 2 to the 7, 2 to the 9th. And this adds up to 681. And then we just add both of these together. I mean, we can convert this to decimal. So, I mean, 5 divided by 16 is 0.3125, and then we just add these two together, and our final answer is 681.3125. And yeah, that's it. If there was a particular step that confused you, let me know. I'll try to reach out to you as soon as possible. And yeah, have a nice day, guys.